In today's video, I'm going to be taking cooling racks from Dollar Tree and turning them into spice racks that I'm hanging on the inside of my pantry door. This is what my spices used to look like in the shelf above the stove. I've got no idea what's in here, and I needed a ladder to look at it. So I got 4 cooling racks from Dollar Tree, and what I love about them is that they're so easy to bend. I bent up the bottom 3 rungs and then bent in the top 5 rungs. You don't need any special tools to do this. The only thing I used my wrench for was, I guess you would call that the feet on the cooling racks. I used that to bend those in, but other than that, as you can see, I just used my hands. Once I got the cooling rack exactly the way I wanted it bent to be able to hold my spices, I then got some burlap that I had in my stash and used that to wrap around the spice rack. I used my hot glue gun to glue this into place, and as you'll see, just every few rungs I went ahead and glued the burlap wrap around on there. I took some twine, wrapped that around my fingers about 9 times or so, and then tied it off and made a second bundle as well to crisscross the 2 bundles and turn this into a flower. For the center part of my flower, I dumped out my stash of buttons to look for 4 identical buttons, which I was lucky that I did have 4 identical buttons in my stash, and that's for the center of the flower. Once I have my flower made, I'm going to glue that right in the center of my spice rack, and I'm going to do this to all 4 of my spice racks and then hang them up in my pantry. I used some command hooks that I did get at Dollar Tree to hang these up on the inside door of my pantry door, but later on I went out to Walmart and I did get stronger command hooks that will hold heavier poundage, and use those to hang my spice racks up. I can now see the spices that I have, so I know what I have and about how long I've had them. I love this DIY and how it turned out, and look, it cost me less than $5. Thanks for watching. Again, please don't forget to subscribe. Today, my things to do was to build a spice rack using items that I did get at Dollar Tree. Make it your thing to do too. Bye.